not straight away. Saying, got here, there's no wind, it's been a nice morning, all morning. As soon as I get out of the course, it's like normal, wind, rain, everything's brutal. There was a really nice place down there, but it's too windy, it's even windier than here. Just gonna scroll back to the car, use off the batteries. Right. Gun it back. Oh, it's wheeling like crazy. Wow, that wind. Did you see the wind get under that there? Wow. Blasted then. See, because the wind is blowing that way, but watch this. See it, as soon as that wind, see the wind catch up and then that were it. Lucky. Oh yeah, you can probably tell we're on 3S today. It's got some range on it. Problem with range, it's further to go and get it. I'm going to scream it up and down like that all the time anyway. I'm going to muck it off. Oh, my cheater's fixed. The part came. Right, there was a problem I had got while I was putting the new bearing in the cheater. Put the new bearing in, it's the same size, everything's the same. Put it in, and it was really bound up. Like my wheel wasn't turning or anything. Basically, when you're putting that wheel bearing in, on the inside of that knuckle on the cheater, you need to get a pair of pliers and really press it in until it clicks. I'd not pressed it in enough until it clicked, so when I was putting the wheel back together, the pin and nut, your hex and the pin and that, when I was putting that pin in, it was really tight. There was no gap. That's why it was binding up. So you put them wheel bearings in, press them in until they click, and just make sure it's all running free, because otherwise, when it was bound up, the only other way I could get my car to run was loosen the wheel nut right off, so my wheel could spin freer. But then my wheel was just going to fall off all the time. So I actually wasted the bearing by hitting it with a hammer and a screwdriver trying to get it in. I went straight through it. So basically I just got some pliers and a 2p piece either side, like a coin, either side of the knuckle, and pressed it until it clicked. As soon as that clicked, it went straight in, and it's running beautiful again. I'll make a video on it when I get home, just a quick one explaining what that bearing needs to happen. Cheetah will be out next as well. Next month, guys. Next month, new car coming to the channel. Comments down below if you can guess what car it is I'm going to get. If you get it right, obviously I'll get you a shout out on the channel. I'll get your name wrote down so people can subscribe to you in life. Yeah, if you can guess what I'm going to get, you can have more than one guess. If you guess what I'm going to get, you'll get a shout out. I don't think I've mentioned it on the channel, but I might have done. I'll give you a clue, it's going to be a 3S car anyway. I'm sticking 3S. Yeah, comment down below if you can guess what I'm coming to the channel to. Right, I'm going to blast this across here. Dog there. Slippy on here, like. That senton rips. So I don't know how you guys go on with the senton stock, because my senton is wider. I've got the Hot Racing, and it's got 10mm like spacing on either side of it when you put it in. So my senton's wheels are actually 20 centimeters wider than the normal sentons. So I'm getting a lot more grip, a lot more handling's better. Yeah, I noticed that from having the normal tyres on myself. But see, with this setup it is with Hot Racing, I think it's probably not far off as wide as the Typhon. So, well, it's obviously the shell on this that's the downfall, and the smaller wheels, of course, short course wheels. Oh boy, we're going to clear that right there. See on 3S, like, oh, is there a stone stock? Yeah. Yeah, I've got stone stock. See how big this bad boy is. Switch it off, my servo might have just gone. Right, yeah guys, I'm going to have to end it there, unfortunately. Something's happened with the servo. Right, that'll be the Arrma servo gone then. Lasted me nearly a year. Right guys, like what you see, do not forget to subscribe. I'll give you an update on this shortly. When I get home we'll find out what's wrong. Right guys, thank you. Bye.